Hi guys, welcome back to this channel, and in today's video we're going to be making banana muffins. So firstly, we're going to mash our banana smoothly. In this video we're making use of 4 bananas, and I'm going to go ahead to mash them thoroughly. Now that we are done with that, we're going and pour the eggs, then the brown sugar, also our melted butter, and this vanilla extract. By the way, it smells so nice, and a little bit of salt, and then stir everything together. So right now we're going in with our flour. I'm going to add a small baking powder to it, and then mix everything together. So the next thing is to add our wet mixture to the flour and baking powder, and we go ahead to mix them, not too much though, but that's it. Then we go ahead to put it in this cupcake mode. Add some chocolate chips, then put it inside the oven. Now our banana muffins is ready. It's super moist inside and it's so good. It's yummy. We're going to be trying this at home, and thank you so much for watching till now. Do not forget to subscribe and like this video, and I'm going to see you some other time. Bye.